Well, hello there. It's kind of rainy. They're calling for thunderstorms and lightning. I don't know if we'll get anything major. It's been trying to do stuff all day. But wifey sent me to the store. And the store is on the way to the river, or rather, the river is on the way to the store. So, what we have here is a failure to communicate, because sending me to the store actually means I need to go fishing. I'm going to see if anything will bite. And if not, we'll roll on down this side of the river till we run out of the side of the river, or we run out of time, or we find out that none of the fish want to bite. I'm not getting anything here. I'm going to try to do that right there. That right there should get some action, because I saw some kind of activity when I walked up here, up underneath that. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. I don't want to do nothing but take the hook out of you and let you go, big boy. But you're pretty nice looking. I like you. You're beautiful. I've got to be careful because the side of this bank is muddy and I could easily just slide right on in the river, which would not be a good thing. These are small. That one's really small. But, ow, you sorry thing. Fine. One way or the other, these little ones you gotta watch, because all of these got the little spines that stick you, but you can't get a good enough grip on the small ones, and they'll poke you more often. And I might get hung up, probably going to get hung up in all of this structure. We're going to throw it on out there anyway. Gotcha. That's nice. He's not very big, but he's thick. Nice, chunky little thing. I'll take it. Thunder, which means lightning. But I'm gonna throw back out anyway. See if anything wants it in the middle of all of this. And I have something. And he swallowed it, I think. No, maybe not. Well, it works, praise God. And thunder. And I'm hoping that I won't slip and fall in this river and that I won't get struck by lightning. All right, it stopped raining and I've changed my mind. We're gonna go on out here and see if there's anything that might be still interested in something to eat. Gotcha. Little bitty, but he's chunky. He's small. That's a small fish. Let me show you. But he's chunky for his size. But what I'm doing, there's a little rock thing right there. I didn't get that where I wanted it, but it might not make a difference. There's a little rock section right there, a little rock ledge or shelf or something. You can't see it. I've fished here before and talked about it and tried to point it out to you. When I review the video, I see that I can't see the thing. But yeah, there's a little rock ledge there that tends to hold fish. And I have one now. He was just swimming with the current, or against the current, but in a way that it felt like it left a lot of slack in the line, let's put it that way. Bye now. I don't know, you might be able to see it now where I'm at, but I don't know. But we're gonna gotcha. I'm just throwing it on that rock there and letting it float around the outline of it, so to speak. I can't tell whether you can see that fish or not. Go for it, big boy. That's probably a very small one there. But that's all right. It's all right, buddy. You're too small for me to eat. This is basically like Tiny Fish Nation. That's all right. You know me, I like the tiny fish. So they are fun to catch. They don't believe they are tiny. They have a ton of attitude. Just an absolute ton of it. A metric ton of attitude. I wonder if I can get, there's a rock on the far side. If I have a larger hook or something that has heavier weight, a lot of times I can reach that, but with this one knot that I've got on here, I'm not able to do that. But I got to fish it anyway. Oh yeah. It ain't bad. That's a nice looking size. That's a nice size little sunfish. I know. It's a shame. I'm even going to take my worm back. Sorry, buddy. That's a pretty little sunfish. I'll take him. And I'm just throwing right at the peak of that right now. And just letting it drift. And it was trying to get hung up there. Don't want that. We can help it anyway. Gotcha. Another nice little one. Another nice kind of intermediate size. These right here are blooming fun to catch. Just basically just a joy to catch. Smaller one. Still fun.